Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Ashford and I'm excited to show you around this Kite pre-designed. Actually been customised by the client's request to work perfectly for them. The most striking thing is that external colour of Jubilee Towers contrasting with the standard anthracite doors and a special window that we've done. You can also see, very rare for one of our kites, that you've actually got some cladding on the front, and that is because the client wanted to utilise this whole building in a special way, and we were working with how she created some additional space for her property. They're really enjoying this building, giving us a great review today. In fact, I'm back to look at another little shed to go over there, so we're actually quoting to replicate this building in a mini version for storage. But let me take you in and show you what we've done in here. So with the double French doors opening a really nice space, but on both sides we've got these sliding wardrobe doors, making the whole area, if I just slide one, then you can see there, making the whole area shelving inside to give a really great additional space. And they've actually replicated that on both sides. So that's 3.1 by, let me just shut that up there, 3.1 by the depth of that 600 of storage both sides, giving you a room of 4.2 with 3.1, so still a very sensible size. We've got a sofa bed in here, so it's used for occasional night stay, used daily as an office as well. It's just a great space. They were considering actually having a extension to their property, but decided in actual fact that this is a better solution, and they are really happy with it. Integrated blinds into the doors and the windows there. So when people are staying over occasionally, that's the blackout blind as well, and just a really nice room. So considering they were thinking about an extension, this is around about a third less than that. It's given them the space that they need. We've done it very quickly, around 2.5 to 3 weeks. The full project was completed, base electrics, internet, and the building with the painting, and they're over the moon with it and how they use it, and love the disconnect. So they really enjoy having it not connected with the house and separate. So there you go, a great garden room. What do you think of the contrast colour? May not be for everybody, but I think it's something very interesting and works well. Keeping with the standard doors and window colour has actually meant there was hardly any additional cost to do this for the client, and I think it does look very nice and something very different. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share your thoughts on this contrast colour. Let me know, and thank you for watching. Thanks.